taking a photo.
Now, why would they do that? That would be Grego. Grego is a boxer who is in the car and apparently doesn't like being left in there.
He's got his paw on the horn. The only thing he's missing is his feet. He's a little perfect.
Speaking of dogs, remember when we showed that video of Butch watching the show? And then we showed the video of Butch watching himself watching the show? You said you wanted to see Dogception.
Dogs, they know. Yeah.
He loves it, and he loves Steven talking about Dogception.
Oh my goodness. You're making my head hurt a little bit.
The dog's like, man, this is deja vu. I feel like I just did all that.
He's like, how do I keep ending up there? I'm just right here on the bed.
This was at the end of the show. Once the show was over.
It's okay, Butchie. Oh, it's okay. I know.